play cards with me?
Is it going to be strip poker again?
Oh, haven't you noticed 6 jackets on me?
Could we at least close the window this time?
Why?
Aren't you cold?
Now?
Is it fair?
Do you think I'm a bad person?
Could I win at least once?
Oh, did you lose every time with me?
Haven't you noticed that I'm standing here only in my underwear?
Do you want one of my jackets?
Could I just hop in?